On Wall Street today, stocks rose despite the president indicating he is considering a wide range of options following the chemical weapons attack in Syria. Investors took notice, got a little bit jittery, and stocks lost some of their luster. By the close, the DJIA rose 14 points to finish at 20,662. At one point, it was higher by 96 points. NASDAQ was up 14 at the close, and the S&P 500 higher by about 4.5. Bob Pisani has more now on the geopolitical rumblings and how they affected the market.
Stocks were posting modest gains into the middle of the day and then began to change course after President Trump made comments on Syria and North Korea. The president said that something should happen with the Syrian president following the recent chemical attack. Then Secretary of State Rex Tillerson said that Syrian President Bashar Assad should be removed from power, which appears to be a reversal in the White House's position on Syria. President Trump also said that the United States should be prepared to act alone when it comes to North Korea. Now, this was a fairly rare moment when geopolitical events have had an effect on markets. However, it was a very modest effect. The Dow only dropped about 80 points from its high, and it still ended the day in the green. Now, contrast this to the 200-point drop in the Dow that happened yesterday after the Federal Reserve said that they would be moving to reduce their balance sheet later this year. And then House Speaker Paul Ryan said tax reform could take longer than health care reform. Those comments had a much bigger impact on the market. So here's the bottom line. Geopolitical risk is now surfacing as a risk to markets. But the big risk factors remain the Federal Reserve and any risk to the Trump agenda of tax cuts and infrastructure spending. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Bob Pisani at the New York Stock Exchange.